Now, Barbara, these homeowners have a challenge with this sloping front yard. What do you suggest some of the things they should do to kind of control all of this soil?
Well, Danny, it's so frustrating for homeowners when they get a really beautiful property, but it's on this steep, steep hillside, and you say, well, my gosh, what can I do with it?
Right.
And if you don't have, enough funds to go through a comprehensive terracing system, you've got to find some way of securing the soil so it doesn't completely erode all the time.
Yeah, we have that problem on some of our construction jobs, building an addition, having a slope,
Right.
the dirt can wash right out into the road.
Yeah.
Now, we use hay bales, not very attractive in the front of a yard. What about some of the erosion mats? How will that work
Actually,
in
the
landscaping?
erosion mats are great, and that's a permanent solution because it's got fabric on both sides which will grip the soil, and then on the top side it'll actually hold the mulch. So it's a permanent solution. You can use a pair of scissors, cut a hole in it, and then go actually with your planting. But if you don't want to bother with that, then you can also use a range of ground covers. The most important thing when you put ground covers on a slope like this, whether it's grass where it's not too steep to mow, or liriope or juniper, is to have a plant that's low maintenance and just very hardy and with a very vigorous root system, so it's going to hold that soil in place for the long haul.